Quit, quiet, quite. Ano nga bang pagkakaiba ng tatlong salitang to at paano sila ginagamit ng tama sa sentence? Yan ang pag-aaralan natin sa maikling English-Tagalog lesson na to, so sit tight and enjoy the video. Pag-usapan muna natin ang quit, yung walang letter E. Ang quit ay isang verb ng ibig sabihin ay to stop doing something or to give up an activity, na ang translation sa Tagalog ay huminto o tumigil. Madalas ginagamit ang quit kapag resignation sa trabaho ang topic o kaya ay pagtigil sa paninigarilyo. Pero marami pang pwedeng paggamitan ng salitang to. Ang past tense at past participle ng quit ay quit din. Ang magbabago lang ay present tense nito na quitting. First example, I'm going to quit smoking. I'm going to quit smoking. Kahulugan, titigil na ako sa paninigarilyo. You should quit smoking or you will die soon. You should quit smoking or you will die soon. Tumigil ka na sa paninigarilyo kundi mamamatay ka agad. I have decided to quit my job. I have decided to quit my job. Nagpa siya akong tumigil sa pagtatrabaho or nagpa siya akong mag-resign sa trabaho. I quit college after 2 years. I quit college after 2 years. Huminto ako sa pag-aaral sa college pagkatapos ng 2 taon. I wish you would quit bothering her. I wish you would quit bothering her. Sana itigil mo na ang pang-aabala sa kanya. Did you quit or get fired? Did you quit or get fired? Nag-resign ka ba o nasisante ka? She quit teaching 5 years ago. She quit teaching 5 years ago. Tumigil siya sa pagtuturo 5 taon nang nakararaan. Pag-aralan naman natin ang word na quiet. Take note of the spelling and pronunciation. Letter E muna bago T. Tapos 2 syllables ang pagbigkas. Parang ganito. Quiet. Quiet. Ang quiet ay isang adjective na ang ibig sabihin sa Tagalog ay tahimik. At dahil nga adjective, ang quiet ay palaging sinusundan ng noun. So it's quiet plus noun. Halimbawa, a quiet kid, meaning tahimik na bata. A quiet room, tahimik na kwarto. Let's now use quiet in a sentence. Why is it so quiet here? Why is it so quiet here? Kahulugan, bakit ang tahimik dito? Next, he's a quiet person. He's a quiet person. Isa siyang tahimik na tao. You should be quiet when you're in a library. You should be quiet when you're in a library. Dapat tahimik ka kapag nasa library ka. Let's go somewhere quiet. Let's go somewhere quiet. Punta tayo sa isang lugar na tahimik. need a quiet place to study. I need a quiet place to study. Kailangan ko ng tahimik na lugar para mag-aral. She has been very quiet today. She has been very quiet today. Napakatahimik niya ngayon. He suddenly went quiet. He suddenly went quiet. Bigla siyang nanahimik. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Manahimik kayo o huwag kayong maingay. Can't you be quiet for 1 minute? Can't you be quiet for 1 minute? Hindi ba pwedeng manahimik ka kahit 1 minuto? Next, we have the word quite. I think sa tatlo ito siguro ang nagpapalito sa marami sa atin. Please mind the spelling. Yung letter E ay kasunod na ng T at isang syllable lang ang pagbigkas nito. Quite. Quite. Ang quite ay isang adverb meaning to a certain degree or extent na ang ibig sabihin sa Tagalog ay medyo. Medyo. Quite. Ang quite ay laging sinusundan ng adjective, so quite plus adjective. Halimbawa, boring o nakakainip. Pag gusto mong sabihing medyo nakakainip, lagyan mo lang ng quite sa unahan. Quite boring. Example, the end of the movie was quite sad. The end of the movie was quite sad. Medyo malungkot ang ending ng pelikula. The pharmacy is quite near to my workplace. The pharmacy is quite near to my workplace. Medyo malapit sa trabaho ko ang butika. It's quite hot outside. It's quite hot outside. Medyo mainit sa labas. He's quite rude. He's quite rude. Medyo bastos siya. They were quite surprised. They were quite surprised. Medyo nabigla sila. The two situations are quite different. The two situations are quite different. Medyo magkaiba ang dalawang sitwasyon. He's quite good. He's quite good. Medyo magaling siya. The exam was quite easy. The exam was quite easy. Medyo madali ang exam. Here's a tricky example. The bar is quite quiet on Mondays. The bar is quite quiet on Mondays. Kahulugan, medyo tahimik ang bar tuwing Lunes. Tingnan nga natin kung malinaw na sa'yo ang difference ng quit, quiet, and quite by filling in the blanks, and I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. Ruben is blank intelligent, but he's a blank student. I hope he doesn't blank school. Time's up! Nakuha mo ba lahat? Ito ang tamang sagot. Ruben is quite intelligent, but he's a quiet student. I hope he doesn't quit school. Medyo matalino si Ruben pero tahimik siyang estudyante. Sana hindi siya tumigil sa pag-aaral.